Welcome to Forest Biology. There is an update in the KEA website regarding UG NEET counseling. They have given instructions separately for Karnataka candidates and non-Karnataka candidates who wish to register for MBBS course in Karnataka. The candidates who have already registered for UG CET and completed the document verification have to enter their correct UG NEET roll number through online in the KEA web portal from 2 p.m. on 13th December 2021 to 17th December 2021 up to 11:59 p.m. So who have already registered for CET and those who have already completed the document verification, you just need to enter the UG NEET roll number in the KEA web portal to become eligible for the admission to medical, dental and Ayush courses, but they need not pay any registration fee once again, and they should check the NEET roll number printed on the application form after entering the UG NEET 2021 roll number. This is for instruction for the Karnataka candidates who have already registered in the CET. Second point is candidates who have assigned ranks in the UG CET and completed their document verification as per the CET 2006 admission rules, and those who are not claiming any additional reservations need not appear for verification of documents once again for medical, dental or Ayush courses. So if you have completed document verification and there is no changes in the reservation claimed, you no need to appear. If there is any changes in the reservation claim, you need to appear for the document verification again. But they have to download the UG NEET verification slip from KEA portal on the specified dates to become eligible for admission to medical dental courses. So those who have registered or not registered, you have to download the verification slip, which is very important. However, if any such candidates is eligible to claim reservation as per Government of Karnataka norms, or linguistic minority or religious minority or NRI ward seats, or candidates eligible to claim seats under category 2 to category 8 in St. John's Medical College, Bangalore, then they have to claim such reservations in the online application form, and they have to appear for document verification with such relevant certificates and documents. So people who are claiming these categories and who wish to take the seat in the St. John's Medical College, you need to appear for the document verification with relevant certificates or documents. Further, candidates who have already claimed linguistic minority or religious minority or the NRI ward in the CET application should also appear for document verification with all the relevant certificates or documents. Those who have already appeared in UG CET document verification and those who are claiming these categories, you need to appear for document verification again. Karnataka candidates have not registered for UGCET but qualified in NEET. They have to first register through the KEA portal, enter all the details, pay the registration fee, and appear for the verification of documents with all the original relevant certificates at KEA Bangalore as per the schedule notified. It will be notified by KEA later. For those candidates who have not registered for CET but has written NEET exam and they have qualified. Candidates who have registered and filled the online application paid the registration fees for CET but not appeared for verification of documents due to non-obtaining of rank for any discipline in CET, and if they have qualified NEET, then they have to appear with all the original relevant certificates as per the notified schedule to become eligible for admission to medical, dental, Ayush courses. So the students who have registered for CET paid the fees but did not appear for the verification of the documents, then they can register for NEET and they have to bring the original relevant certificates according to the schedule to become eligible for the medical, dental and Ayush courses. Special notice: government share of Ayush seats will be allotted only to Karnataka candidates. Next, the non-Karnataka candidates. The non-Karnataka candidates who have qualified in UG NEET they have to first register through online at KA web portal, enter all the details, pay registration fees. Further, they have to enter the 12 standard mark details and upload in PDF format in the same web portal. They need not appear for verification of documents. The non-Karnataka people need not appear for verification of the documents. They just have to enter all the details in the KA portal, upload the PDF of the 12 standard marks sheet, and they can register for NEET. The PDF should be you have to enter the 12 standard mark detail in the portal. Candidates have to upload NEET scorecard, 10th marks card, 12th marks card in a single PDF. Scan in one single UG NEET. All these you have to scan in one single PDF and upload it. However, OCI, PIO, NRI, foreign nationals, and if any non-Karnataka candidates eligible to claim NRI ward, religious minority, or eligible to claim seat under category 2 to category 8 in St. John's Medical College, then they have to appear for verification of documents with all original necessary documents at KEA Bangalore on the specified dates. These dates will be given later after the document verification process before the document verification process starts. So these are the instruction for non-Karnataka candidates, and the other one is the instruction for Karnataka candidates. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe and comment. Thank you.